What does your shirt say?
It says, "You can't make everyone happy. You are not an avocado." It's a good fat. So keto diets are everywhere and their recipes just keep popping up all over the internet. Keto diet basically means ketogenic diet, very high in fat and very low in carb. So I wanted to take a stab at it and I wanted to make these things called fat bites. Let's get started. First, you're going to need a hard-boiled egg. I'm gonna just chop it up. Beautifully cooked egg, no green ring. Lift up, throw it in here. This is chipotle and adobo. Seeds removed. I like to always add a tiny bit of heat, even though I can't handle my heat, when it's super fatty, because that kind of cuts through some of the grease. Then I'm gonna add our good friend avocado. Be careful when you're cutting an avocado. Beautiful. Take the seed out. I'm gonna just do the quick slice and dice in here. Repeat. Okay. Scoop it out. So far we have fat, flavor, fat. Our next item is going to be some lime juice. This is gonna be great, again, cutting out some of that fat. And then we're gonna add ghee. Ghee is basically clarified butter, but it's a little fermented. Then we're going to add some reserved bacon fat. Where did I get that from? Because I cooked some bacon before. And last but not least, mayo. We're gonna stir this up a little bit. I'm gonna add some more flavor, so just a pinch of salt and some pepper for flavor. This looks pretty good now. I think it would taste good on some bread, but I know that's probably not allowed. So once you mash this together, because of all the fat in there, you're gonna have to pop this in the fridge for about 30 minutes until it's firm. Otherwise, you won't be able to roll it into a little ball. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Hang tight. I'm gonna chop up some cooked bacon so my fat bites have a nice crunchy coating. Okay, now I'm gonna transfer this back into the dish. I'm gonna go check on my fat balls. This is nice and chilled. I'm gonna scoop some out. They're nice and firm. Gently roll them. Okay, roll it. I'm gonna leave it on a parchment-lined baking sheet. This mixture will make about 8 fat bites, which is perfect for me and my friends. I'm gonna roll this up, pop them in the fridge to let them set for about 15 minutes, and breakfast is served. 15 minutes later. Moment of truth. To be very honest, I'm nervous about eating this because there's just so much fat. It's salty, it's smoky. I hope you don't eat more than one of these because they're very, very heavy.